Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to set a password on Windows 10. So maybe you just got your Windows 10 and you have not set your password. This guide is for you, so let's get started. So first thing you have to do is click on your search bar right here and you're going to search for password, and you're going to see change your password right here. Click on change your password and it's going to take you to your settings. So once it takes you to your settings, you can change your password from here. You can see where it says password. Click on password and it's going to load up. Once it's loaded, you're going to see change. For you, since you haven't set yours, it's going to say set, so you can just click on that. So once you click on that, you can input your password. Because I already have a password, that's why you can see I have to confirm the current password before. But yours, you're just going to see set your password. You're going to input it the first time and try to repeat it for the second time. So once you do that, you're going to click on next. Okay, sorry, let me just input the password correctly and click on next. So this is what you're supposed to see. You're going to put in the new password and try to confirm the password, and also put like a hint right here. Then you click on next. So once you click on next, you're going to click on finish, and once you click on finish, anytime you start to actually turn on your system, it's going to require a password before you can enter your system. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more input tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.